Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hard reset or factory reset the Poco C75. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button to power off your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe up and power off your smartphone. Now once you have done that, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button until you feel a vibration and you see the Poco logo. Now from here, just release the power button and press and hold the volume up button. Now from here, once you do that, you will see this screen. Now from here, just press the volume down button one time. Now from here, just press the power button to enter. Now from here, just press the volume down button one more time and select wipe all data. Now from here, press the volume down button and select confirm. Now from here, just press the power button one more time to enter confirm. Now from here, it will take a few seconds to a few minutes to hard reset your Poco phone. Now, as you can see, the data has been wiped successfully. Now from here, just press the power button to select back to main menu. Now from here, select reboot, just like that, and press the power button. Now from here, press the power button one more time to select reboot to system. Now, as you can see, the hard reset has been completed and all our data has been wiped out. And as you can see, the screen is on first time boot. And this is how you can hard reset or factory reset the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.